Our master is not at home. We haven't worked for a long time. Let's get to work.
What should I cook then?
Let's have a cooking skill competition. Let's see who is best at cooking.
Yeah! Great!
Hi!
Who is the first? Walk. I am Walk. I'm good at making stir-fried beef with onions and fried rice. Stir-fried beef with onions. Onion. Be careful not to cut your hand. Flour. Stir the beef. Stir-fried beef with onions. Let's start the show. Oil. Onion. Beef. Toss and stir fry. The dish is worth a try. Pepper. Salt. All done. Let's put it on a plate. I am dirty all over after cooking. I need to wash up immediately for a handsome appearance on stage. Ta-da! This is the stir-fried beef with onions I made. Thank you! Thanks for the compliments!
It's my turn. Hi, all. I'm Frying Pan. I can fry the egg and steak. Beef steak. Marinate the beef. Pepper. Salt. La la la. Let's start frying the steak. Butter. Beef. Fry one side, then turn over for the other side. Yeah, all done. Let's put it on a plate. I am dirty all over after cooking. Let me take a shower first. Look, this is the beef steak I made. Thank you. Yo, yo, yo! We are the happy steamer siblings. We are steamer. We can steam the corn and fish. Steamed fish. Let's get the ingredients ready. Marinate the fish. Salt. Cooking wine. Scallion and ginger. We are going to start steaming the fish. Wait. Water. Wait. Fish. Watch out! The steam is really hot. It's well cooked. We are dirty all over. We need to be washed clean. Yo, yo, yo! This is the delicious fish we steamed. Thank you. Thank you. Next, it is my showtime. I am juicer. I can make the fruit juice and vegetable juice. Make the fruit juice. Strawberry. Apple. Let's make the fruit juice. Strawberry. Apple. The juice I made is sweet and tasty. All done. Pour the fruit juice. I am dirty all over after making juice. I need to be washed clean before getting on stage. This is the yummy fruit juice. Thank you for enjoying my performance.
It's my turn. I hope you will love it. Ahem. I am Clay Pot. I am good at cooking braised sirloin with carrots and braised chicken with mushrooms. Braised sirloin with carrots. Let me get the ingredients ready first. Carrot. Be careful not to cut your hand. Let's start cooking braised sirloin with carrots. Water. Carrot. Sirloin. Please note that simmering over a low heat will make the dish more delicious. All done. Add some salt. Okay, let's scoop it out. I am dirty all over. Let me take a shower before getting on stage. This is braised sirloin with carrots. Thank you. Thank you.
Yahoo! It's my turn to get on stage. Watch me. Hi, y'all. I'm Stockpot. I can cook tomato and egg soup as well as noodles. Noodles. Tofu. Be careful not to cut your hand. Vegetable. Let's cook delicious noodles. Water. Noodles. Side dish. Salt. The boiling soup is really hot. Please be careful. All done. Scoop it out into a bowl. I am dirty all over after cooking. Let me take a shower first. Please enjoy the delicious noodles. Yeah, I am amazing.
It's my turn. Now enjoy my performance. I am Wok. I'm good at making stir-fried beef with onions and fried rice. Fried rice.
Egg. Egg. Egg.
Let's stir it. Cucumber. Be careful not to cut your hand. Delicious fried rice. Let's start the show. Oil. Egg. Cucumber. Rice. Toss and stir fry. The dish is worth a try. All done. Let's put it on a plate. I am dirty all over after cooking. I need to wash up immediately for a handsome appearance on stage. Ta-da! This is the delicious fried rice I made. Thank you. Thanks for the compliments.